Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laptops for engineering students that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Dell XPS 15 15-inch FHD. The Dell XPS 15 is my favorite for a reason. It has all the bells and whistles that any engineering student would need, while also being slim and compact. They even kept their cooling system as streamlined as possible so that the laptop would retain its slim portability. Perhaps my favorite aspect is how eco-friendly this Dell is. The black packaging trays are made of 25% recycled ocean plastics that were collected from the sea. The rest is made of other recycled materials. They even made sure that most of the laptop itself could be reused or recycled with ease when the time comes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Apple 2022 MacBook Air Laptop with M2 chip. If you need a lot of power jammed into an incredibly compact option, this Apple MacBook is the perfect fit. A mere 2.7 pounds, it is a beast with features and tools, all responsive and lightning fast. The only downside is if you need a lot of RAM, but at 8 GB, it should still fit most people's needs. This is one of the most highly rated laptops on this list for a reason. At number 3, we have the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop. While this is thought of as a gaming laptop, it can do far more. It's snappy, powerful, and has a focus on stunning graphics. Depending on what kind of engineering you're doing, this visual capability will only enhance your workflow, especially if you're a graphics engineer. Plus, if you feel like using it to enjoy a game or two in your off time, you're more than set. At number 2, we have the MSI GF63 Thin 9SC068. This laptop offers an excellent balance of advanced features and affordability. It features a respectable 8 GB of RAM, impressive graphics, and a snappy, responsive performance. If your engineering needs don't require a heavy-duty laptop and you don't want to break the bank, this is a good fit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. At twice the computing power of other Surface products in the past, this laptop is ideal for multifunctional use. Not only can you change the physical way you utilize it, such as angling it for display or using it with a stylus like a pad, but it can handle simultaneous tasks with absolute ease. This is the most powerful product on this list. Whatever you need it for, it's ready to please. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.